In this instructional video, we will show you how to use the CodeWise tool in your presenter file. You can use the tool as soon as the cursor is active. The playing field is divided into squares. In the bottom left corner of the playing field, you see a character. Program a route with the cards under the playing field. The cards contain specific actions. There are 3 types of actions. Actions on yellow cards are easy, orange cards are medium, and purple cards are the hardest. Select an action to put it out on the sequence field. You can also drag actions and choose where you want to place it. However, the cards need to be placed next to each other in continuous order. Click on the play button to make the character walk the programmed route. Once the character moves, the forward and stop buttons appear. The forward button makes the character walk the route in fast forward. The stop button makes the character go back to the place where it had started from most recently. The route that was travelled most recently can also be undone, or you can make the character walk the route again with the buttons in the toolbar. If you want to delete an action in the programmed route, drag it to the bin. Click on Reset to clear the sequence field. In the bottom left corner, you see a suitcase. If you plan a route with an action that includes picking up an object, it will be placed in the suitcase. In the Settings menu, you can change the background and character. Close the menu by clicking on the Settings button again next to the menu. Would you like more information about one of these tools? Click on the Information button. You are now set to use the tool CodeWise. Open Presenter and get going.